Rocket High Legends. Let's start these extensive questions now. Q8. Describe the process of swallowing in man. Answer. The process of swallowing is called deglutition. It starts in the mouth when we push food backward with the help of the tongue. The soft palate moves upward to close nasal passages. The pharynx guides food downward toward the esophageal tube. The larynx moves upward and the epiglottis covers the glottis to avoid food entering the windpipe. The esophageal muscles then perform peristaltic contractions to move food smoothly toward the stomach. Urdu explanation. Swallowing is a process in which we move food from our mouth into our stomach safely. The tongue, pharynx, and esophageal muscles all help in this. Soft palate and epiglottis close the nasal and windpipe path to avoid choking. Finally, food drops into stomach by peristaltic movement. Q2. Describe the human stomach with diagram. Answer. The stomach is a J-shaped, muscular bag situated in the upper left side of the abdominal cavity. It has four main parts: cardia, fundus, body, and pylorus. The cardia is the first part where food enters from esophageal tube. The fundus is upper curved region. The body is mere central part where food is temporarily stored and mixed with digestive juice. The pylorus is lower part which connects to small intestine. Inside wall has fold called rugae, which lets stomach expand. Urdu explanation. The stomach is a J-shaped bag. It has different parts for different roles. Cardia lets food enter, fundus stores it, body mixes it, and pylorus lets it move forward. Inside rugae help in expansion when we eat more food. Q13. Describe the structure of human small intestine. Answer. Small intestine is a long tube about 6-7 meters in length. It is divided into three segments: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum is first, short, C-shaped and receives food from stomach. Jejunum is middle, where most absorption occurs. Ileum is last, longest, and it connects to large intestine. Inner wall has numerous tiny villi to absorb nutrients efficiently. Small intestine is a very long tube divided into three parts. The first is small and curved, the middle is where most absorption happens, and the last is longest and joins large intestine. Small finger-like villi help absorb nutrients quickly. Q4. Explain the absorption of digested products from small intestine lumen to the blood capillaries and lacteals of the villi. Answer. Small molecules like glucose and amino acids pass directly into blood capillaries in villi. Fatty acids and glycerol first enter the lacteals, a small tube in villi. From the lacteals, fats are transported into the lymph and then into the bloodstream. The villi provide large surface area and thin wall for quick absorption. Capillary network carries nutrients to liver through the portal vein. Urdu explanation. Small products of digestion move into tiny blood tubes in villi, and fats move into a small tube called lacteal. Villi have large area and thin wall which makes absorption easy and fast. Then nutrients are taken to liver first. Q5. Describe the large intestine of man. What are the functions of large intestine? Answer. Large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It consists of four main parts: scum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. Scum is a small pouch at the beginning. Colon is the main part where water and mineral absorption occurs. Rectum stores waste temporarily. Anal canal exits waste from the body. Main functions: absorb water, form feces, and excrete waste. Urdu explanation. Large intestine is thick and short tube. It has different parts for absorbing water and making waste. Colon takes back water, rectum stores waste, and then it exits through anus. It helps keep body clean. Q6. What is bile? Describe the composition of bile. What is the role of constituents of bile? Answer. Bile is a greenish-yellow digestive juice produced by liver. It is composed of water, bile salts, bilirubin, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Bile salts help in emulsification of fats. Bilirubin is a waste product from breakdown of hemoglobin. Cholesterol and phospholipids aid in formation of micelles. Water makes it a liquid medium. Urdu explanation. Bile is a yellowish juice made by liver. It contains water, bilirubin, cholesterol, phospholipids and bile salts. Bile helps break large fats into tiny drops. It also removes waste products and assists in absorption of vitamins. Q7. How secretion of bile is related to the secretion of hormone secretin? Answer. When acidic food enters small intestine, it stimulates release of secretin. Secretin signals the liver to produce more bile. It also stimulates pancreas to release sodium bicarbonate. This makes the medium less acidic, helping proper digestion. So, secretin directly controls the flow of bile into duodenum. Urdu explanation. When food enters small intestine, it signals release of secretin. Secretin then tells liver to produce more bile and pancreas to release sodium bicarbonate. So, this makes medium less acidic and helps in proper digestion. Q8. Write the functions of liver of man. Answer. Liver produces bile for digestion of fats. Stores excess glucose as glycogen. Converts harmful ammonia into urea. Stores vitamins A, D, and B. Processes drugs and detoxifies harmful chemicals. Synthesizes proteins for blood plasma. Regulates blood coagulation by making certain proteins. Urdu explanation. Liver performs many roles. It makes bile, stores glucose, converts harmful products into urea, stores vitamins, detoxifies drugs, produces proteins for plasma, and helps in blood coagulation. It is a key organ for body's health. Q9. What is the structure of pancreas? Explain the functions of pancreas as an exocrine gland. Answer. Pancreas is a leaf-shaped gland situated below stomach. It has a mere duct called pancreatic duct. It consists of clusters of exocrine cells called acini. These acini produce digestive juice rich in amylase, lipase, and trypsin. The juice enters duodenum through the pancreatic duct. It assists in breakdown of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in small intestine. Urdu explanation. Pancreas is a leaf-shaped gland. It has many small clusters called acini which produce digestive juice. This juice contains different enzymes. It drops into small intestine and helps in breaking food into small components. Rocket, that's all for today. Keep learning and growing.